How to connect 8bitdo to Xbox Series X. Only officially Xbox licensed 8bitdo controllers can connect directly to Xbox Series X, Series S, or Xbox One consoles. This is due to Microsoft's strict licensing requirements for third-party controllers. Connection to Xbox consoles is achieved through a wired USB connection. Microsoft's licensing restrictions mean that third-party controllers like 8bitdo can only connect via USB cable, not wirelessly. To connect your licensed 8bitdo controller, simply locate a USB port on your Xbox console and plug in the controller's USB cable. After that, click on this button here. To identify an Xbox licensed 8bitdo controller, look for the Xbox logo button in the center of the controller. This is your key indicator that the controller is officially licensed. That's it. Thanks for watching.